So what's up YouTube? Hello people. I guess everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. So in this video I'll teach you about how do you use a TEE command. So TEE command is basically used to what read from standard input and write to one or more files simultaneously. That is why we use TEE command. But this TEE command is not shown in any website or any YouTube videos because it is not used frequently. That is why they don't show it. Okay, TE command syntax. The syntax will be like this: command, pipe operator, TEE, and options, and then the file name, file 1, and the file 2. So this is what the syntax look like for a TEE command. Okay, let's clear this up. Okay, the first thing that I'm doing is to write to a single file. How do you write to a single file? So there is some text that will be hello word that you need to write to a file out.txt. If I press enter, then if I do ls, there is out dot. If I do cat out dot, the content will be written to a out.txt file. Okay, now let's say not only one file, you need to write it for multiple files. You can also do like that. You can do out1.txt and out2.txt. It will write it to what two files also. Let's say out1.txt you can see, and out2.txt you can see. It will write to multiple files also. Okay, the next one that I'm showing is that append to a file. So if you are writing anything like hello there, it will append this text to an existing file. Okay, so let's say the file which I'm creating the first file which I created was out.txt. So I need to append what this particular string to this output.txt. So I'm using -a command. If I do cat out.txt, then you can see the new sentence was added to the next line of this out.txt file. That is how you use append. Okay, so while using, you can also display what content you are filling to this file. You can also display it. Okay, let's go for the next one. That will be specifying a log prefix. How do you use this command that takes time? This is the takes time and hyphen t and I out.txt. So this is basically the syntax to use syntax for using specifying a log prefix. Let's say you're printing ps.ef. Okay, so it is taking too long time. Now if you do pipe and you do t, then if you do -i, then out ps.txt, do like this, then it will print. But if you cat out ps dot, you can see all the content which was present in ps-ef command. Okay, let's jump into the next one. Okay, so if there is any error, you can let me say echo command, echo hello world. Echo is basically the default terminal, right? Sorry, default terminal command. What if I do ECH? Does it print anything? No, because ECH command does not, there is no command called ECH. So that will be the error, right? So what I do, I use to redirect and one and or command. a pipe command hyphen p and error dot log. What it is doing is that, see, there is no what command called ECH, so it will obviously print this error, right? So what I do, if it is an error, then what you do, you just print that error to this particular error dot log. If there is no error, then don't do anything, just print it, don't save it to error dot log. See, if I press enter, if I do cat error.txt, you can see that error has been copied to error.log. What if I do echo? Let me delete that file first. You can see, ls command, you can see error dot, and delete that file. Okay, now you can't see the error dot file deleted. Now what I do, I use echo exact command, the command which exists in this particular OS. If I do echo, there is no error, but if I do cat, you can't see you can see the content, not the error. Okay, that is why we use to redirect and why. If there is a error, if there is error, then it will print to the error.txt. If there is no error, then it will print the hello world to the error.log. That is how we use this particular command. So if you don't know how to use TE, then you can go for a man page for the depth understanding of the TE command, or else you can see the version, I guess. It is 8.32. then you can see the person who wrote the command for TE command. Okay, so that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching.